Welcome back! Today we're taking a look at the Mission Pacific Beach Resort. This resort is located in Oceanside, California, about an hour north of San Diego. Coming in off the street, there's a nice outdoor courtyard area with plenty of seating. Heading into the lobby, it's spacious with lots of wood tones and lots of interesting furniture and decor. We had arrived around noon, so our room wasn't quite ready, but we were given key cards to get access to the common areas of the hotel, as well as a sister property next door. After a bit of exploring, we soon got a text that our room was ready, so let's go check it out. We had booked our stay on Points and used a suite upgrade award to get us into a standard suite at this hotel, which is known as a Dreamscape Oceanfront Suite. The Oceanfront Suite is essentially an oversized corner room, and not really a proper suite, as it's all just one large room. As you can see, the staff had decorated a room for my son's birthday. The room consists of a king bed, a pull-out sofa, and a large lounger by the window. Note the refillable water bottles, there are filling stations throughout the hotel, and earplugs. The earplugs are a good sign that you can expect a decent amount of road noise, which was true, but didn't bother us particularly. Heading to the bathroom, it's quite nice with a walk-in shower and a large standalone tub. There's a shower head and wand, but only one can be used at a time. Toiletries are in the big bottles, however you can remove them from the wall and bring them over to the tub if you want a bath. The sink faucets are not a great design and were already wobbly, despite the fact that this hotel is only a few years old. Over in the living room area, we have a pull-out sofa, a small table and TV. There's a small refrigerator in the cabinet below, set to a temperature in the mid-50s, so it's not appropriate for keeping food cold. In addition to the birthday decorations, the hotel had left some sparkling juice for the kids and a bottle of wine for the adults, as well as a couple tasty chocolate bars. One thing I really like about this hotel room are the large windows, and as an added bonus, they can be opened wide. Over by the window is a large lounger. We used it as an additional bed for our kids. Heading over to the balcony, it's a good size with a couple of chairs and a small table. There are just gorgeous views of the beach from here, and it's a great place to just sit and relax for a bit. Over by the door, there's a closet and a little bench with some storage. There's some fun decorations in this room, and everything, with the exception of the sink faucets, was in great condition. Let's head to the rooftop bar and pool area. You have to walk through the bar area to get to the pool. The pool here is not huge, and it's between 3 and 4.5 feet deep. It is heated though, which was appreciated as the weather struggled to get into the 70s for most of the days we were there. There's also a small hot tub around the corner. There's lots of seating and a few cabanas for rent. The views from up here are really fantastic. The front desk did say that on weekends the pool bar area becomes adults only at night. I've seen other comments from guests online that there can be noise issues if your room is too close to the pool. However, our suite was on the other side of the building and we never had any issue. Guests at the Mission Pacific also get access to the sister property, the Seabird, located directly across the street. This hotel has its own rooftop pool and common areas that are worth checking out. The overall feel and decor of this hotel is much more bright and colorful. The pool here is larger and more geared towards families and children. There are pool toys and floaties available. However, when we were there, the pool was not heated, so our kids preferred the pool at the Mission Pacific, even though it was smaller. There's another hot tub here and similarly nice views of the ocean. Inside, there's a game room with a small bar at one end. There's a variety of board games available, and it's just a nice place to get out of the sun if you need a break from the pool. But a big draw of this location isn't the pool, but the beach. I love how easy it is to get to the beach from the hotel. It's literally across the street. As included in the resort fees for the hotel, you have complimentary access to beach rentals, including chairs, umbrellas, sand toys, and boogie boards, things like that. The staff there were very friendly and helpful, and they set up and take down the chairs and umbrellas for you. The beach is nice with plenty of space and the sand is quite soft. There's a lot of decent sized waves that the surfers were enjoying. Pretty much every daylight hour there would be at least a dozen people surfing. In this shot, you can see the Mission Pacific on the left and the Seabird on the right. Now let's take a look at the fitness center. It's located on the second floor of the Mission Pacific with views out the back. It isn't very big, but it was clean and had a decent selection of equipment. You also have access to the fitness center at the Seabird, but I didn't get a chance to check it out. As a Hyatt globalist, we get full breakfast for 2 adults and 2 children. While there are multiple restaurants on site, breakfast is only provided at the Piper, located across the street at the Seabird. The front desk said that can often get busy and you may need reservations, but since our kids are early risers, we always showed up at breakfast right at 7 a.m. and had no trouble getting a table without any wait. Breakfast here was rather good, but portion sizes were perhaps a bit on the small side. It's also rather expensive. However, for us, all the charges were removed from my bill the night before checkout. On weekends, there's typically a buffet and a smaller a la carte menu. Otherwise, if there's no buffet, there's a larger menu to order from. If you like hot sauce, they have a range of in-house bottles. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this hotel. On the pro side of things, it's a fantastic location with beautiful views from the room. The rooms are very clean and pretty much everything is brand new. The rooftop pools are a highlight, and I love that you can access the ones at either resort. The beach is also a ton of fun, and I love that the rentals were included. Another highlight is the staff. They were all very friendly and often greeted us by name. I also like that you had easy access from the San Diego airport, either by car or by train. On the con side of things, it is definitely expensive, both with cash and with points. Also, the standard suite here is not really a suite, more of just one big room. Overall, we had a great stay here, and the kids had a blast. It's a gorgeous beach hotel with fun rooftop pools and a lot to do in the area. I would definitely recommend it, and I'm sure we'll be back. Next time, I think we'll check out the Seabird. In particular, the standard suite there is actually a proper suite with separate rooms. Thanks for watching!